everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to look how a week in LSE summer school life look like. Whether you are interested in studying abroad or applying to LSE summer school on your own, stick around to take a look of how a week here look like. Today is a perfect sunny Sunday in London. My friends and I are planning to go to the southeast side of London to visit Seven Sister Cliff. We'll take the train from Victoria Station to Eastbourne and then take the bus all the way to Cliff. This is my first ever time taking the train in UK. That is a wonderful experience. As you can see, the Seven Sisters are these incredible white chalk cliffs that stretch along the coast. Oh, and the wind is definitely strong today, but honestly, it just adds to the experience. Alright, time to head back to the city before the end of the day. Just a brief room tour of my little dorm and get ready for another week at LSE. It's Monday, back to the routine. I usually start my day with a traditional British breakfast at the residence. It is a good hearty start before heading to class. And one of the best things about being at LSE is the commute. This city has so much energy, it's impossible not to feel inspired. LSE campus has such a cool vibe. It's modern, but with all this history around. My morning usually kick off with lectures at 10 a.m. You are always encouraged to ask questions, debate ideas, and really engage with the materials. After lectures, it's lunchtime. There are so many good spots around campus. Today, we decide to hit up a cozy crib house for some much-needed food and conversation. Afternoons are usually for seminars or group tutorials. TA will wrap up the morning lectures and explain some practice problems with details to us. They always come prepared and make everything so clear. After class, it's time to unwind. Today, we're heading to a pub in LSE, one of our favorite spots. This is what I love about being here, meeting amazing people from all over the world. We've got students from the US, Europe, Asia. It's like a mini United Nations. But today is our final lectures of my LSE journey. It was a mix of emotions. The professor wrapped up with an inspiring talk about taking what we've learned here and applying to the real world. And he also got us chocolates. After the last lecture, I went to take a photo shoot with some amazing people who are also ambassadors around central London. Of course, we couldn't leave without the last adventure around London. The city has been such a big part of this experience. We took the underground today. Tip: be careful with your hair. Every corner of London feels like a story waiting to be told. Today's destination is Tower Bridge, and I waited to see the opening of the giant bridge. London is such a vibrant city, and being here has made me fall in love with it even more. I'm going to miss this, the energy, the history, the people. London, you've been incredible. Today, it all started with my usual morning routine. I can't believe how quickly 6 weeks flew by. As I brewed my coffee, I thought about how much I'd grown. Let's ace the final. Honestly, the final exam was tough but fair. It feels so good to apply everything we've learned, since myself started working on my own and with my classmates. When I walked out of the hall, I felt a mix of relief, accomplishment, and maybe a little bit sadness that is always coming to an end. But it was time to celebrate. My friends and I found this amazing steak restaurant in Covent Garden. Cheers to surviving and thriving. We earned it. The week wrapped up with a farewell party hosted by LSE. It was the perfect way to say goodbye to this chapter. This isn't just the end of a program, it's the beginning of so many new friendships and opportunities. We made promises to visit each other and share our goals for the future. I'm so grateful for the incredible people I've met here. Thank you for coming to this journey with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And as always, chase to your dreams and make the most of every opportunity. See you in the next one!